Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix any peeling paint that you may have around the house. So this is a windowsill that has been in my kitchen over my sink, and it started flaking, so I just decided to start peeling this paint off. I want to peel it, sand it, and then repaint it. So I used my favorite tool to remove the paint. It's my putty knife. So this putty knife, as you can see, it's been used a lot. It's pretty old, but it gets the job done. It has that pointed, jagged edge, and it just lifts and separates the paint. Once I'm done with that, I pull out my sanding block, and I got the sanding block from Lowe's, and I'm just gonna go over this. Now, if you have really stubborn paint, you could use an electric sander, but I didn't need this for the windowsill. So I'm just gonna go over it and just keep removing that paint because I wanna get a smooth surface. So it's a process. It takes some time. I just put on some music, and I just kept going back and forth between my putty knife and my sanding block. Once I got my surface as good as I could get it, I used one of my paint brushes to brush and sweep away any loose debris. So if you had any tiny particles of paint or any dust from sanding, this is just the perfect tool to use. It just sweeps it away. And then those little corners, I would take my fingers and just pull it away manually. But yeah, I just do this because once I start painting, I want as smooth of a paint job as possible. So I just keep touching it and feeling it, and once I have it done and as good as I can get it, then I am ready to prime and paint. So you can use a primer, or you can buy paint that has the primer included with it, and that's it. You'll just smooth it out, fill in any gaps, and your windowsill will look nice and refreshed. So I'm gonna put in a before picture, and then I'll show you the after. And thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more how-to videos. I will talk to you in the next video or in the comments below. Bye for now.